Welcome back, Airsofters. You join us at our sponsor's site, Battleground Airsoft Necton. Today we've got just a small pistols match for you. It's a private game of just us Void lot. All on all, we should be posting more of this sort of footage as well as our regular gameplay in upcoming videos. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Enjoy.
What? Was that even the start? I got hit straight a fucking way. Where is he? Is he? Oh, you bastard! I'm hurt, you bastard! Right in the thigh!
Wait, I already fucking hit you! I did.
Fucking hell, Craig!
I already fucking hit you!
Oh, heck, now you have! I was too busy looking at him! Oh, you hit me, you prick!
Oh, hit!
I'm the last one left. No, you're not. Yes, he's alive. Huh. Yeah. Am I it? Ah, hit, fuck! I could see I missed you then, man. Yeah, that's it, man. Game over.